Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to participate on the Heaven Testnet airdrop, just watch the video to the end and follow the steps. So first of all, participate the airdrop on the Satoshi app. So this is the Heaven coin I'm talking about. So first, just head on to airdrops here. Then you can see the airdrop is known as Heaven 1. So just tap it. So if you haven't participated on the airdrop, first participate. You'll see that there's an icon of participating at the top here. So participate first. Then after participating, scroll down here where you'll see some more information about the airdrop on how to participate on the testnet. So here it is. Follow at Heaven Official on Twitter, join our community Discord and Telegram, join our incentive testnet. Simply visit www.heaven1.org, click on register and connect your wallet, change the network to Heaven 1 testnet. Now click on verify account and complete the verification process. So let's head on and try to complete these steps. So if you haven't participated on the testnet, watch this video to the end so that you know how to participate in that testnet process. So just go back. For you to participate in the testnet, you must have Metamask. So just head on to your Metamask app, then open it. So open your Metamask app, then just head to browser there, and open browser. Then after opening the browser, just input this URL just the way it is. You can input www.heaven1.1.org, or you can just copy paste this to your URL, then just tap go. So just tap go. Then when you tap go, you'll land on this page. Liquid stake your ETH to earn Heaven 1 airdrop. So you can stake your ETH coins for you to earn more Heaven coins, the Heaven 1 airdrop coins. But we wanted to join the testnet, so just come here and tap join testnet. It will load on a Chrome page, on an external page. So tap like that, so you can see. So choose Chrome. So when you tap the web browser of your choice, you land on this page. So you can see, please connect to Heaven 1 network to continue. So for you to join the testnet here, you have to connect to wallet first. So basically we'll be connecting our Metamask wallet because it is the wallet of choice for the Heaven 1 airdrop. So just connect, then just tap wallet connect. It will bring a variety of wallets which you have on your phone. Then just tap select wallet so that you can select Metamask. There it is. So just select Metamask just once, because sometimes you may need to choose another wallet while doing other operations. So just choose once, then I will receive a prompt for you to switch to the Heaven 1 network. So let's wait. Then there's the prompt. So hit tips testnet Heaven or share your account address, activity and allow site. So just tap connect, account 1 connected and active. Then it will automatically go back. Then there it is, stake ETH and receive. This allows you to earn native rewards while using your. So I had already verified my account That's why it just came directly without asking for my Discord verification. But for your case, it will require you to verify using your Discord and Telegram username. So you'll be required to input your Telegram username. So you'll just see like a bar requiring you to input your Telegram username, which you'll just copy. Go to your Telegram, copy your username, paste it there, input your name, your email, then just tap continue, then verify your Discord account. Then you land on this page here, the final page. So they'll also be a part of inputting a referral code. So if you don't have a referral code, just come and copy mine here. But you can also choose to leave it empty, but you can use mine. You can just copy this referral code on the section for referral code. Then of course I'll receive some rewards for referrals. Then you'll also get a referral code you can use to refer more people to get more rewards. You can also choose to invite people via the link. So we're excited to have you here. Claim TESTNET H1 tokens from Token Faucet and start using TESTNET apps to earn rewards. So first you have to verify your identity. Of course you're going to verify it using Metamask. So just verify identity. It will bring a connect. So you have to connect your wallet. Connect. Then just tap wallet connect. Then just select wallet. Then the Metamask prompt will appear. The prompt will come up, so you just have to tap connect, control connected and active. Then you just have to sign in again. For you to claim your Heaven NFT. So you can see if you connect your wallet, the address from Metamask will appear here, your address. So you can just confirm the address and that on your Metamask app if it's correct. Then just head on and tap sign in. Then obviously just choose Metamask always. When you sign in using Metamask, this prompt will appear. Allow website to open another app. The website is trying to open another app. You'll get to choose the app. Blah blah blah. So what to do? Just tap open. Just tap open here. Like that. Then obviously just choose Metamask. So wait for Metamask to open. So I will advise you to set your Metamask app link. Doesn't have to restart when you exit the app, so to save you a lot of time. So let's wait for the Metamask app to open so that we can accept the prompt. So basically we are signing in. We have already connected. Now we want to sign in so that we can claim our Heaven. So just scroll down. So we want to add the Heaven TESTNET network on our Metamask. So just tap confirm so that you can add it to our Metamask. So just tap confirm. Then Heaven is now available in the network selector. Then just switch network. So if you notice closely, you'll notice that we have completed all those steps that were on the Satoshi app. The how to participate the testnet process. So then just tap got it. Then there it is. You can see we have already added the network and you have already switched to it, the H1 network. So after completing all these, connecting, signing in, whatever, you can now head on to claiming the NFTs. Just complete signing in, connecting to Metamask, then select your account. Obviously it's an individual account. Country, no, Afghanistan, Kenya, bro. nationality or US Kenya. Supposed to be Kenya. Yeah. So I'll just confirm. So after completing the first step of signing in, connecting your MetaMask to your portal, so the next step is verifying your identity. So if you have your documents ready with you, you can just continue to verification. But for my case, I don't have my documents with me. So you can just start verification. Let's see what's in the verification. So I guess you'll be verifying your face. Yeah. Prove that you are real by verifying your face. So let's head on and start. Let me accept the terms. Scan your face. Yeah. Upload your face. Encryption. Then wait for it to complete. Then success. Then for the ID part, I'll have to skip because I don't have my ID with me. But for your case, if you have your ID, you can just tap continue. So if you have ID, you can just continue verification. Then when you are done with verification, you are done with step 2, also with step 1. Now you can go back to claiming. Just go back to the home page, the previous page. There it is. So basically we are verifying our identity. We are doing this. So when you're done with that, come back here to wallet. Then you can just be claiming your free testnet tokens here. So basically that's how you participate the free testnet H1 tokens. So that's how you claim your free NFTs tokens. So when you tap the get free tokens, it will take you to Metamask, to the wallet which you connected, which is Metamask. Yeah, it will take you to the Metamask wallet. Then for my case, I had already claimed my tokens, that's why it's not taking me directly there. But for your case, it will take you there directly. Then you'll see your Heaven 1 tokens there. So let me show you. So let me show you on my MetaMask. You'll see that you will receive 10 Heaven. So there it is. So you can see I have received my 10 H1 tokens. So basically that's the process of participating in the Heaven 1 testnet. You can see. So their testnet, they don't have a real value. You can either choose whatever you want to do with them. So the process may seem a bit tough because the MetaMask keeps on closing. When you exit the MetaMask app, then when you try to go back, it will require you to sign in again. So I'll advise you to switch that setting off, the setting of when you exit the app, it closes. So for you to run more smoothly, you can choose to switch that setting off. So after claiming your tokens, that's it. That's how you do it. You can now choose to refer to earn more bonuses. Paste your code. So if you don't have a referral code, use mine so that I can also get some bonuses. Then basically that's it. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe for more mining updates, and like my videos, share and subscribe.